Good evening, tubers. Here's what we're sitting at. If you can see, it's getting kind of dark because of the clouds. But been running everything 110 in the house today. Along with yesterday, we got down to 24.3 last night. That's everything running. But Midnight Classic 200, 2.3. We don't use a whole heck of a lot. And 3.4 on the old Outback, which I've seen a comment on Wesley's Facebook page, on our group page, saying something about the Outbacks. Not got a problem with this Outback. I've had it, I think, 3 years running a constant. Hadn't failed me. When it charges, and when it sees the batteries are charged, it says charged. It quits charging. Midnight Solar, or Midnight Classic, yeah, that's a good one. Really good. But yeah, I kind of like the Outbacks too. I bought me another one about 6 months ago. Inverter kicked in. The Ames inverter kicked in. Wonder what it did. Let's see. Got 250, 260. No, I didn't catch the peak. But yeah, running all over 110 through the Ames. But yeah, just wanted to mention Southeast Ohio, Solar Haven said something about rain in Ohio. What you talking about? Yeah, we had rain. We've had rain for what, a day and a half, brother? Wesley, did you have rain? Last video I seen, you had clear skies, sunny skies. But yeah, hopefully this winter's going to be over with. These lead acids are they're on their last legs. Sorry to say it. I boiled a couple of them dry somehow. Check up on your lead acids. Do your maintenance, all that good stuff, or you'll lose them. So yeah. In any case, more reason for me to get these boogers going. Got to get these going. Like I said the other day, I got 3 equalizer balancers ordered for them to match up with that one. And I'm going to plug in my laptop, see if it'll do anything with that. The MPP Solar. Hopefully it does. Yeah. Rain, Ohio. And, you know, the projects, you got mowing. It rains for a week in Ohio. 2 weeks straight, whatever. And you get to mow the rest of the time. But hey, at least it ain't going to be cold. Just have to take about a week or 2 off just to catch up on things. Get everything caught up on and done. Still got to mount these. Get them going. Definitely got to get these going. These things are still going on 24.5 volts. And they've been that way since fall. Since I unhooked them kind of from that. They're still hooked in, but not totally. The right lug on that is loose, but I can't untighten the nut. So I gotta cut the cable, cut them cables, put the new ends on, and put a new, oh shoot, what am I wanting to say? Junction, I guess? Well, thanks for watching, guys. Girls, tubers, please like, subscribe, and there's that tool shed outdoor light. Still going. Man, things are cool. Here's one I switched over to lithium. Never thought about it, but hey, under 32 degrees, they don't work. To go to charge them, they'll get damaged. Well, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe if you would. Share if you would. Please subscribe. See ya.